In this video, I'm going to show you how to make money growing, whether you have little or no land at all. In fact, instead of just showing you a little bit about it, I'm going to give away the farm. That's something that most growers shouldn't say. I'm going to give away the farm. How am I going to do it? By sharing the whole enchilada with you right now. And in future videos, I'm going to be coming back and going through individual methods and breaking them down a little bit more of how you can make money. If there's a specific one you'd like to see, go ahead and let me know and I'll make a video on that one. But for right now, I'm going to give you the entire list and here's how you do it. Let me share this screen with you right now. This is my webpage, whyamigreen.com. If you go there right now, what you're going to get for free is a gift that will blow your mind. So here's the site anyways. There's a lot of other things showing you how to build different green type systems like greenhouses, NFT, vertical towers, ebb and flow, raft system, Dutch bucket system. I have the complete plans for a lot of these, but go down where it says my gift to you. This is 99 ways to make green or to make money by being green with little or no land. So go right below this. And when you click here, ta-da, you get it. Let me go ahead and enlarge this for you. And this here, that's my beautiful green face. I'm spending too much time in the garden. So this is my gift to you. And where did this come from? Well, when I first started gardening, or at least online gardening, I came across a lot of different comments that people had how they'd like to be self-sufficient. And this one here really hit home. Someone said, I'm new to homesteading and need to find ways to make money on my small piece of land so I can do what I love and not have to go out and get another job to support my new lifestyle. So I thought, ooh, I like that. So what I did is I went ahead and wrote all this information that I put free for you with ideas of how to grow. So the first section here is how to grow. I call it urban ideas with no land. So how do you grow on walkways, decks, spare rooms, etc.? And I came up with, you could see there are 36 ways of growing. Now, this is what I do. Many of you have probably seen at times I've had over 150 plants on my deck. I've done a lot of things on my deck because I don't have land. I have just a little bit, maybe probably 200 square feet below the deck. And I've had things growing from below to above the deck. I've had so many crazy things going on, but you'll see it, the things that I've done there. Now, these are ideas with a small amount of land, from 1/4 acre or less. So a little bit more land than what I have. Now, there's all kinds of things here you can see from actually not just gardening. There's things having to do with growing eggs and growing fish if you want to get into aquaponics, partnering with advertisers, growing rabbits, turkeys, worms, growing garlic. So there's a lot. I have 26 different things you can do here. And then we get into the small farm ideas with land, 1/4 acre or more. So these ideas, even if you're in a city, there's all kinds of things from, like I said, anything having to do with farming. I even start here with goats and making a maze. If you grow corn, making a maze for Halloween, maple syrup, picking your own blueberries. You can start pick your own blueberry place if you have blueberries, if you have the land to grow them. Talking about strawberries and pumpkins and produce to restaurants. There's so many different things you can do. So now that you have that, I'm hoping that you'll find enough ideas from that to be able to work from your homestead or your garden or whatever it is you have space for, so you can begin making money doing what you love. Because I know there's nothing worse than having to work at a job you can't stand and taking what little time you have left to go do what you really love. Because I feel you should do what you love for work. If you're not doing what you love, if you're not doing what you enjoy, you might want to try to find a way to change it. What I'm planning on doing is for the next few videos, I'd like to take some individual ones and break them down so it's not just the topic and you can see how to make money with it. So if there's something, one specific one that you'd like to work on, you'd like some more information on, let me know in the comments below and I'll see what I can do about breaking that down for you. In the meantime, thanks for watching, happy growing, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye now.